Hello everyone, welcome you all. I hope you all are well, staying safe and healthy. Today we are going to begin with lesson 5, TRC, the land of dense forest. In this lesson, we will learn about TRC's location, relief, climate, vegetation, wildlife, natural resources, agriculture, the people, and transport. You all must be aware that there are 7 continents in the world, and among them, Africa is the second largest continent, and the second largest country in Africa is the Democratic Republic of Congo, also known as DRC. DRC lies in the torrid zone, that is, the area on both sides of the equator between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Equator passes through northern DRC. Earlier, DRC was ruled by Belgium till it became independent in 1960 and was known as Belgian Congo. In 1971, its name was changed to Zaire, and again in 1997 it was renamed to the Democratic Republic of Congo. Its capital is Kinshasa. It is the largest city of DRC and is situated along the Congo River. Congo River flows through the forest of DRC. It is the second longest river in Africa and the 7th longest in the world. DRC is located near the equator. Therefore, the climate is hot and humid throughout the year. It is hot as it receives direct sunlight. The high temperature causes rapid evaporation, due to which the level of humidity increases. And you know what is humidity? It is the amount of water vapor in the air. Due to this, the clouds build up and heavy rains occur by afternoon. This happens every day, thus making the region one of the wettest in the world. While the summer is hot and wet, the winter is cool and dry. Students, the hot and humid climate of DRC is perfect for the growth of dense forest known as tropical rainforest. These are evergreen forest, that is, the trees are covered with leaves throughout the year. The trees of these forests are tall and they form a canopy of leaves at the top. Do you know what is a canopy? It is a continuous cover of trees. It is a layer of branches and leaves that spread out at the top of trees in a forest, forming a type of roof and not letting the sunlight to reach the ground. Students, do you know that the Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest in the world, and the Congo rainforest is the second largest in the world. Some parts of the DRC Mostly the ones located in the south are not so hot and wet. So in these areas, instead of forest, you will find grasslands with few scattered trees, and these open grasslands are known as savanna. Variety of wildlife is found in the forest and savannas of the DRC. Wildlife in the forest include baboons, gorillas, and chimpanzees, whereas wildlife of savannas include lions, giraffes, zebras. A number of crocodiles are found in the rivers. There are many types of insects and birds in the forest. Among the insects is found the tsetse fly. It is a dangerous insect present in the forest of the DRC. It causes a disease called sleeping sickness. You know that DRC is the richest country in the world in terms of natural resources. Almost every valuable natural resource can be found here. Some of the natural resources include copper, gold, and diamond. Also, DRC has the world's largest deposits of cobalt. The industries in DRC are not so well developed, so most of the minerals are exported. Water is another important natural resource. So dams are built on the rivers and are used to produce electricity. The people in DRC are mostly farmers, as the main occupation of the people is farming. The food crops grown are cassava, maize, and rice. Crops such as coffee, rubber, and cotton are also grown and exported. DRC is thinly populated. That is, the population in DRC is less. The people in DRC mostly live in villages along the rivers and in the highlands, and the people who live in villages, they live in groups or tribe, each having its own customs. Do you know what is a tribe? It is a large group of people who live in the same area and share a common language, religion, and customs. In DRC, there are about 200 tribes, and among them, the most well-known inhabitants are the Pygmies. Pygmies are short in height. They get their food from plants and by hunting animals. They make huts out of branches and leaves. They live in camps. Due to hot weather, they do not wear many clothes, but on special occasions, they wear colorful clothes and enjoy singing, dancing, and telling stories. Since construction of roads and railways in the country has been extremely difficult due to the hilly region and swampy areas, so water transport over the Congo River is the major means of transport. Thank you all. I hope you all enjoyed it.